In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to convert a photo into a talking video. I'll be using several AI tools, including ChatGPT, Gemini, and HeyGen. So let's open a browser. Today I'll be using Chrome, and in the search bar, I'm going to type Gemini AI, and I'm also going to open up ChatGPT, and lastly I'm going to add another tab, and I'm going to type HeyGen AI, like so. And also I'm going to add another tab and type Whisk Labs, like that. So we are going to use ChatGPT to create a prompt that can help us come up with an AI photo. So you can also do that in Gemini. So let's start with the ChatGPT. So create a prompt create a prompt for generating a photo of or picture, just photo of a Kenyan man in a studio for YouTube video. So just give it an instruction: create a prompt for generating photo of a Kenyan man in a studio. Not just a Kenyan man, let's say let's add here a corporate Kenyan man in a studio for YouTube So the reason why I'm adding YouTube here is for aspect ratio. So I believe Facebook has aspect ratio of 1:1. YouTube has a aspect ratio of 16:9. So different platforms have different aspects. So if you don't know exact aspect ratio, it's better to just name that platform here, and the ChatGPT will understand and create the perfect photo for that. So I'm going to click that so that it creates that prompt, and I'm going to copy this. Here I'm going to create, I'll just say I'm going to create an image, directly image from this Gemini. You can create. So what I'm doing, I'm just showing you how to use different tools to create the same image. So in Gemini you can also create image directly. You just say create an image of a Kenyan man in studio. Let me just add corporate Kenyan man in studio for YouTube video, like so. So I'm going to click that, and let's see what we have here on prompt. So I'm just going to copy this and go to Whisk Labs, whisklabs.google. So I'll click the first link. This also can create a very nice photo. So just search for Whisk Labs. Now let's go through this. Create, enter tools. Next, make sure that you select continue, and then enter tool. So I'll cancel that, and then I'll just paste here. I'll come here, right click, copy, go to whisk, and then paste, and then just hit enter, and it will start to generate the AI images. Let's see what we have here on Gamini. So it has generated this kind of image, and I can see it's quite good. And also in ChatGPT we can also generate directly here. So I can say create, I can just tell it create the image or the photo, like so, and let's see what we'll have, so that you can select the best image. And so here we have the photo that we need. So if you want to download, you can select either of the two. I'll go for this one. You can click here, and it will start to download. So you'll find this one in the downloads. So here it is, an AI generated photo of a Kenyan man. Also, let's see what we have in Gamini. You can also just download that if you want to download. So just create the image. Now I think ChatGPT has some issues, and let me just use what we have. So you can use this to create the video, but I'm also going to show you how to use your original photo image. So I'm going to use my own photo. I'll go to Facebook. Let me see what I have on Facebook. I'll go to my Facebook page and download one of my photos. Let me go to photos and see what I have, what I can use for this tutorial. I'll go for, if I can go for this or this. Let me just choose this one, and I'm going to right click and save image as. Let me save it on the desktop and say photogrammetry lab, like so, and I can close that. So if I go on my desktop, this is the photo that I have. This is my photo, and we also have the ones that we downloaded, but I'll just go showing you how to generate AI photos, but I'm going to use my original photo, just to show you that you can also use your own image. Now I'll go back to the browser and close ChatGPT and these ones, so that I can remain with the HeyGen. So HeyGen AI is going to help us convert the image into the video. So I'll click the first link, and you need to sign in. So I'll just sign in. I'll sign in with my Google account. You can sign in with whatever details, credentials that you have, but it's good to use your account to sign in. Let me just give it a little bit of time to have that signed in. Now, what do you want to create? What do you want to create? I'll say education and training, continue. Education and training, continue. and I can just select any of these, and there's no big deal. So here you can select the perfect plan that for you. You can choose free, creator pro. So for this one is $24, these are 75, this one is free. So for today, let me just use this free. It does its limitations, but for now, let's just stick to that. So this is the dashboard of that particular website. So we are going to add the photo that I downloaded from Facebook. I'll click photos, then go to click upload here. Then I'll navigate to desktop where I saved the photo. Select that, open. And then also let me open the Gemini again, AI. And we're going to type or ask Gemini to give us some script. You can just type in your words, or you can also ask the AI to give you the script. So I'll say, give me a short so give me a short description of photogrammetry, just that. Then give it time. Let me see what ChatGPT has to say. ChatGPT. Click on the new chat, and let me just log in. I forgot to log in with the ChatGPT, and that's why it was unable to generate the photos when I requested it in the first place. So in these platforms, the first thing that we need is to make sure that you log in or you sign up with the Google account or the description or the credential that you have. So here I'll tell it or just give a short introduction into photogrammetry, like so. So I'll just copy the first paragraph, go to HeyGen and paste here. Paste that description, and then here you select the resolution of the video output that you want. For 1080p pixels, I think you'll need to upgrade. So since we want this one for free, I'll stick for 720 for now, and then select the best voice. Here you need to select the best voice. If you have one or you have recorded one, you can just upload. You can upload, but I'm going to use so here you have my voices. You can upload, or you can go to HeyGen library and use some of the library that you have. So here I'm going to select gender, so I'll select male, and then the language, I'm going to also select language. So the language here, I'm going to type Kenya. So I'll have Kenya, English Kenya. I'll go for English Kenya. So we're going to give us a sample. So click play to have that
Hey
sample.
there. Here's how I sound. I hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
So that's fine. So I'm going to highlight that and then click select voice. I think now we have all the settings that we need. I'll just click create. We need just to give it time to generate the video, and we can see on the left hand side here the process of that video generation has just started. Just give it it is at 23%, so just give it time. Now if I think it's I've clicked it, it is at 97%, but if you click on it, it's going to just play. So here's the video. Let me just try to play.
Photogrammetry is the science and technology of capturing accurate measurements and 3D information about objects or environments using photographs. By analyzing multiple images taken from different angles, specialized software can reconstruct shapes, distances, and spatial relationships.
Now you can see this is a perfect video for this, and you can save this on your desktop. Just right click on this video.
Photogrammetry is the science and
Let me just pause, right click on it, and click on save video as. So you want to save this on a desktop, so just I'm going to call it photogrammetry video, like that, and the download is complete. So if I close the browser down and go to the downloads, so I'll find this video here. Let me just cut that and paste it here on the desktop. Double click on it, and there you have
Photogrammetry is the
video.
science and technology of capturing accurate measurements and 3D information about objects or environments using photographs. By analyzing multiple images taken from different angles, specialized software can reconstruct shapes, distances, and spatial relationships.
So that's all for today, and see you in the next one.